On today's video, we're making loaded pastrami fries. And these aren't regular pastrami fries. This is pastrami from Katz Deli in New York City. Now we're making homemade pepper jack cheese sauce, grilled onions, grilled jalapenos, and even a burger sauce to top this thing. So let's get to cooking. Okay, first to get started, we're gonna go ahead and saute our onions and our jalapenos. 3 tablespoons of butter. This burner's badass. I'm going to season these up just a little bit with SPG. While the onions and jalapenos are going, we're going to go ahead and start our cheese sauce. There it is. And as you guys know now, I'm getting pretty damn good at roux. Jokingly, I say that. I'm getting better. I'm learning. I'm no Bobby Flay yet, but
12 seconds later.
Getting close. We're going to be making this cheese sauce with pepper jack, but use whatever you like. Provolone would work well. Since it is, you know, cheese fries. But this is the star of the show, right here. Katz Deli pastrami. Had some flown in, probably about 6 months ago. Who knew you could buy it on their website? And it's not that bad, price-wise. Oops. So for the cheese sauce, we got 1/4 cup of butter, 1/4 cup of flour, 16 ounces of pepper jack, and I think it's a 1.5 cups. Yeah, 1.5 cups. What is it? Yeah. Yep, 1.5 cups of whole milk. Now, as soon as the onions get about 50% of the way cooked, I'm gonna go ahead and add my pastrami, get it all mixed in, heat it up, put the lid on it, kill it, make the fries. 1/4 cup flour. Now you want to toast that flour up right nice. I got to get my clumps broken up, man. All right, now you're gonna wanna slowly add your cheese. And I chose pepper jack because the jalapenos add a little kick to it. Cheese sauce is looking phenomenal. I wish you guys could smell this with the jalapenos and the pastrami. I'm gonna go ahead and dump my fries real quick. We're just using just store-bought frozen fries. Now while I'm here, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little Dirty Bird and SPG to the finished cheese sauce, just to kind of kick it up a notch. This SPG goes well in dang near everything. Haven't tried it on ice cream yet, but. All right, the cheese sauce is done. We're waiting on the fries. Pastrami is looking right. As soon as these get done, and then we build. All right, fries are done. Let them drain for just a second. All right, I like mine good and drained. Always season your fries. Once again, SPG, just works on everything. Oh, these bowls are so slick. All right, so let's get these built. First of all, SPG on French fries, lights out good. So let's just get us a little pile. I'm gonna do it on the cutting board so it looks legit. Just get all these looking good for the picture. Get all the broken ones off. Cheese sauce. Come on now, look at that. Some burger sauce. I think everybody knows how to make this. It's down in the recipe though, if you want to know how. I did not put any relish in this one because of this, but if you want to put relish in it, put relish in it. This is where it's at. Now I ain't gonna lie to you, man, this thing looks and smells absolutely amazing. The SPG on the French fries, pro move right there. But let's just jump in here. Gotta get a little bit of everything, a little bit of jalapeno. Dude, this looks so good. St. Patrick's Day, here's to you. These are deadly. This was a great idea. Me. These are good. So hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up. If you want this recipe, you can head on over to kosmosq.com, print it out, all the ingredients, all the measurements, make it for yourself, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.
Ooh, can I get you fondling your fries?
On today's, what is the name of the recipe? Every time I do that. Now, we're making the cheese sauce, we're grilling the onions, we're grilling the jalapenos, we're even making a burger sauce. Now, we're grilling the cheese sauce. We're grilling the cheese sauce. You can shit on this thing and it'll probably still be good.